Hello guys, again today we got Meizu M8 Lite. It's another phone, just arrived, and this is the package. They send us an UK adapter, and this is the phone, and also something else in the box. Nothing. Yes, he's got an screen protector, which is, well, you can see on the corner, not very good. Also, we got here an silicone case, and let's open the phone. This is the box. And let's see if we can read some specification. Not really. It's coming in another language here. We can see the model and the color is coming in black, and here 3 GB of RAM plus 32 GB internal memory. It's a dual SIM. It's a very tight box. And okay, so it's coming with a 5.7-inch full screen display, 80x9 HD plus. It's a quad core, not an octa core, which is gonna be much more better. The front camera is 5 megapixel and rear camera 13 megapixel. It's coming with 3 GB of RAM and 32 internal memory. Support micro SD up to 128, and a 3200 mAh battery. And okay, so this is the phone. Oh, this is stick on the screen actually. All right, we got the fingerprint on the back. It's a dual camera, and also dual SIM. It's coming in a thickness of 8.4, and it's quite not very heavy. It's got 145 grams. It's quite nice. It's not heavy at all. I like it. So we got the pin here for the SIM, dual camera on the back, the fingerprint also right here, and the SIM card on the side, micro USB 2.0. It's not type C, it's an audio jack, and the speakers right here. It's been released in November 2018, and its weight just 145 grams. Okay, so finally we got through all of the settings and the phone is ready to be used. And I just set up the fingerprint, and let's see how fast is it. Okay, let's try again. It's making that noise when you put the finger on the fingerprint. Okay, let's see what's on the menu. Okay, go to the settings. It's like any other Android. About the phone, device name Meizu M8 Lite. Okay, model, serial number, email Android 8.1. It's been security patch date 5 July 2018. Okay, system update. We don't need this language, account, battery and apps right here. And also notification and status bar, bubble notifications, show content, wake up notification. Phone in non-pocket mode will wake if notification unreceived. Show network speed, so it's gonna show you how fast are you going on internet. Show battery, yes, 64%, you can see on the corner. Lock screen music, and this is some of the features that the phone is coming with. Navigation and multitasking, navigation bar, double press, power button. No, we don't need display, auto brightness, we don't need that. And I don't know why it's doing this all the time. Okay, it's coming also with Fly Me account, probably is the account from Meizu. Wireless, let's see, one more here, WLAN. Okay, so, and yeah, let's make a picture on the box actually. And now let's open it. Well, not that bad pictures, but I don't like this lag. You can see the lag here, moving up and down, up and down. Okay, let's make a quick sample video. Well, anyway, but still a decent camera. So yeah, the phone, it cost around £90, so it's not that bad. It's not the fastest unlock for the fingerprint, but yeah, this is Meizu M8 Lite, and we got lots of shortcuts here, for I can see. So yeah, if you like it, please press the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.